That's it right. That's it right there. Arabian Kebab. Hey, Jeff.
Hey, what's up? How's it going, buddy? Is your son?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hello. How are you?
Say hi.
Hi. Yeah.
We found it.
Yeah. Yes. Here we are. Yeah. You can take a sit.
All right.
Take a sit later. I meet you.
That sounds good.
Yeah. All good.
Okay.
This is here. Yeah. I get the octobot, you know, and the
the octopus right there.
Yeah. This is Macau Scientist Technology, the food court outdoor container.
When did this open up?
This month, just like a few days ago. Yeah.
Wow.
Almost the middle of this month, you know, just try how is gonna goes here, you know.
Yeah. You want to show? You want to show? Can you show us inside?
Yeah, inside, but just take a sip first.
Okay.
We make the second round later. Okay.
Okay. Sounds
just
good.
we have a drink first.
Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Okay, you're probably wondering where it is. It's Must University, Science and Technology University, and it's right next to the COTAI Strip. You can see COTAI right there, and I'm going to zoom in, and you can see to the left, you can see Venetian, Morpheus, Londoner, all these different casinos, and then you can see the campus, and it's pretty close to the McDonald's right there. It's just south of it, near the International School, and you can even take a train there. This is really cool space. So yeah, he just said that this is open like 1 month ago. So yeah, very, very cool. Arabian Kebab. Very cool. And they actually sell some beer here as well, so they got Superbach. And he's right by the octopus. Yeah, and there's actually a lot of stuff that's pretty familiar here. So done. So he's gonna, we're gonna film a little bit. So we're gonna wait for him, and then I just met one of his friends. He just went to the bathroom as well. So later we'll do a little bit of filming. Pretty cool.
What I know.
So we're gonna come right, and let me just kind of show you. So he's gonna tell me about this area real quick. But before we start, we're just gonna come around here to the main spot. It's kind of a rainy night. And you can also see Morpheus over there, just to give you some reference. We're at Macau University of Science and Technology University, and we have a bunch of restaurants. So he's gonna tell us a little bit about it, and we're here in a soft opening.
Yeah.
And we're right over here.
That's our menu for the students. Some of them from Milan. Also, they don't know about this food that much. A little bit strange for them. You know, that's why I try to put like fish and chips, like a new item. You know, it's. And this, they call it like a food container store. Container store, yeah. It's like they make it here like an open air, you know, like outdoor, like for the people to be more relaxed. They have like different restaurants, Chinese, Portuguese, Malaysian, Japanese style, you know, different kind of store. Yeah, just somebody invite me to join the place here because my shop in Macau over 10 years. That's why they invite me to come here, and it was a great experience for me.
Yeah. Actually,
great experience and some challenge because it's not easy also, you know.
Atef has had a couple of different locations. So there was Street of the Angels.
Yes.
I forget the name in Portuguese, and then the second one was the
so Real Sociedad.
Yeah.
The Real Sociedad, yeah, it's like the Portuguese name, right?
Yeah. So this is but
this is the fourth place.
Fourth place.
Yeah.
Fourth location.
Yeah, it's like keep moving, you know. It's yeah, that's why I got a short contract here. Let's see the both side agree. If everything is fine for the both side, I gonna continue the business here, you know.
You got a customer right in, right there.
Yes, well, yeah, you can. Yeah, this is a new store. Yeah, this is the pharaoh, my grandfather. This is the Egyptian art of papyrus, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like very old, unique art, unique piece of art of papyrus. This is King Tutankhamun. This is King Ramses. Yeah, this is a new store. It's like Mediterranean.
So we're gonna step outside a little bit. So we'll let him focus on the customer, and we'll just kind of give you a little bit of a tour around here a little bit. We have a customer right here as well. This guy traveled all the way from Cape Verde, drinking Portuguese beer.
Very good food, very good food.
And I'm gonna sit and enjoy them, which is what I was doing earlier. And we're just gonna maybe give a little bit of tour. So this is the Arabian kebab shop, and it's right here in this. It's called. It's a new location. We'll just kind of take the camera around a little bit. But you see all these containers right here. Those are like a big metal boxes, of course. And basically they put all these different places in here. And we're just gonna walk through it a little bit. So kind of cool. I'll just kind of highlight them a little bit. Kind of a rainy night. Okay, this is, I saw the sign outside. It said "Must Like, a hub for experiential learning." We're just gonna come through. It looks like they got some other stuff like meat fresh. So definitely come and see the kebab shop. That's pretty well established, and I have filmed some of those locations before. So you might have even seen Atef in some of those other videos in the past. So we're just gonna come out this way. And actually I think the entrance is over here. So we're gonna come back this way. And yeah, actually this is kind of nice. It's like an experimental new place. And he was telling me about it, that it just opened up about 1 month ago. And the owner of this property is from mainland China, I believe. And so he created this whole concept of having all this stuff outside. So it's kind of a chance to eat and drink outside. And you're right at the university campus as well. There's Brew Lab right there, coffee shop, McDonald's is around there. That's Taipa Grande. Those are some apartments up there. And the COTAI strip with all the casinos is right over there. So you can actually walk from the casinos to this location. So let's go back in, and then we'll see if Tef wants to add anything new. So Tef is actually originally from Egypt. So we could see some of the artwork, and there was also comes from Egypt as well. Gonna come all the way back down, and then I'll join them as well. And I'm also gonna put a picture of the food in there as well. You probably saw it at the beginning by this point, because I will have put it at the start of it. So yeah, this will probably be quite busy during the daytime when all the students are here, but it's actually a Saturday night, and there's a Tef right there. So you're gonna come back. So we're gonna come over here. Mediterranean pasta, Greek salad, falafel. Yes. Greek salad. So okay, and there's
And this is one customer inside. You can ask her about the opinion about the food, like this kind of. Yeah, you can.
hello. Can we ask you what you're gonna order? And
Yeah.
I want to order burger with fries.
Burger. Lamb burger or beef burger?
Oh, this burger.
Beef burger.
Yeah.
Okay. Spicy or no spicy?
Not spicy.
Okay, sure. Yeah. If
This-
you wanna ask her about her opinion about this food, because this is for her, like also not from the same culture, you know, it's different kind
Yeah.
of food.
is this your first time to come here?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I used to eat like
Yeah.
Chinese food or something
Yeah.
like that.
Oh, okay.
I used to I'm very into McDonald's and
No, this
okay.
is different. This is actually we make it with different flavor and Arabic spice, and this is actually from like this kind of fresh beef. We make it like daily, not like the McDonald's frozen
like
one.
fast food.
Yeah, you will say the feedback, but honestly, without compliment. After you eat, I want you to tell me the feedback. Okay?
okay.
And you have to let your friends know as well.
It's my mom.
So how you pay? The must pay the one the student discount, because we get this 10% for the student discount. You know?
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
From the
I'm
parents.
student from us.
Yeah. Okay. So you how you pay? We must.
Alipay.
I don't know. Alipay is like the. Okay, I try to use must pay. Okay.
Okay.
I try to see if this one has.
So we're gonna come back in a little bit. So we got a nice customer there who's gonna try it out for the first time. So maybe in a little bit we'll interview her once the food arrives, if she's okay with it. Which I think she will be. She seems quite interested to see what the food is like here, so that'll be pretty cool. So yep, Arabian kebab right there. So there's the menu. Kebabs, I like the lamb kebab is one of the ones I like. I always like beef as well. Get some french fries in it as well. Tacos, I like that a lot. There's the tacos as well. Fish and chips. And some vegetarian too, right? Hummus with bread, rice pudding, some pasta choices, Arabian rice, that would be pretty tasty as well, and some drinks. Okay, so we might interview her a little bit later, if she's okay with it.
For the burger, yeah.
So we got it. So was it kind of what you expected?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah,
kind of.
Nice and big.
I like this
Fries
kind of
style,
fries.
yeah?
Yeah. I don't like the.
The very slim one, right?
Yeah.
This one have more taste, and you see the green one. The green, this one they call it za'atar, like different flavor for the smell for the fries, you know. Yeah.
Sounds pretty good.
Yeah. Bon appetit.
Yeah, enjoy.
French word,
Good to
yeah.
meet you. Thank you for interviewing as well.
Yeah.
Hey, check it out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.